Okay, yeah. So, hello team, how are you? Hope you're doing good. All right, yeah. So, let us continue with the weekly market analysis video. All right, so as you already know, we had promised in the previous video also that we're going to continue with the weekly market analysis. And my name is Shashikant, and I'm going to help you with all the weekly market analysis. Now you can see last week, that is May 4th to the May 8th. Okay, so whatever the days we had, so we can try to see completely. Okay, so May 4th was Monday, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so complete 5 days we're going to analyze. You can see the Nifty chart I'm sharing first. You can notice in the Nifty chart. So why it is so important? Okay, so you people might be understanding like why we have to study the weekly chart. Okay, so weekly chart, monthly chart in a broader market dimension, what we call. So it is actually going to give you the direction where actually we are leading, where actually we are moving. So that is why a broad direction of the market is very important in all the scenarios. So in which direction we are moving, in that direction we can try to bet our trades. All right, so as you know already, this is all education purpose, and we are not going to we're not going to recommend any buy or sell things in the market. So we're just analyzing the market, and based on your own investor recommendations, and also you can try to go for the buy or sell trades. All right, so coming to here, you can see 5th of the 4th of the May, you can see the market actually opened a gap up, and then again it actually opened up here and tried to push up but did not succeed. There can be any geopolitical tensions, there can be USA Iran any peace talks. Okay, so those kind of things, and also there can be some election results also that might have impacted 5 state elections in India. Okay, so there can be any sort of reasons can be there. So that's the reason market was not that much clear direction. Okay, so suppose compared to the previous week. Okay, so you can see here 29, 28, 27, and 24 and 23. So here to here, the market is not in a clear uptrend or downtrend, but it is, we can say, weekly sideways it is. Okay, so but slightly uptrend. Okay, so slightly uptrend, you can see 4th of the May. So the gap up happened, but it closed at the above range of the previous day. And similarly, gap down happened on the next, that is 5th of the May, and again gap down and closed slightly up. And similarly, on the 6th of the day, you can see market opened up here and closed completely at the up. That means completely it was bought. Buyers were very active and they were actually controlling the market. And similarly, on the 7th of the day, you can see market opened almost within the range of the previous day. That is on the 6th day, but closed slightly below the open mark. And similarly, the previous closure of the market, you can see on the 8th of the May. So market opened up here and closed out here. Okay, so that means, so there is no clear direction, uptrend, downtrend, or any clear direction. It's not there. So it is kind of sideways only, we can try to consider. But compared to this week, a slightly uptrend it is showing. It is not a complete downtrend, but slightly. One day gap up, one day gap down, one day gap up, one day gap down, and one day within the range. Okay, so that means clear direction is not there as of now. Okay, same thing, Nifty, and even though the Bank Nifty also, if we consider, I'll share the Bank Nifty screen also, you can see. All right, so 4th of the May, you can see completely gap up happened, but closure was within the range of the previous day. Similarly, gap down happened on the 5th of the May and closed slightly below. Similarly, 6th gap up happened and closed extremely at the top. Okay, so that means buyers were very much active. You can see the volumes also. And similarly, on the 7th of the day, so slightly where it was closed, slightly there only it got opened the market. And similarly, closure also happened slightly below the open mark. And similarly, on the last working day, that means last Friday, 8th of the May. So you can see gap down happened, a slight gap down, you can say. No, we can say that where exactly the market got closed. So slight below of that, the market was open, but completely it was pushed down. The Nifty gap down happened, but in the case of Bank Nifty, slightly below the closure point it opened, but closure completely the market closure was, or the weekly closure was completely down. That means sellers were very much active. They were dragging the market down towards down every session. Okay, A B C D E F G H, if you consider every session, they were actually selling. More and more selling was coming. And similarly, the volumes you can see. So on the week end, that is 8th of the May, more volumes were there. You can see the volume graph as well. And even though during the 7th of that 7th Thursday also, intermediate volumes were reported, but 6th of the May, the market was extremely uptrend. That means here the market participation was more. Okay, that we have to understand. That means on a 6th, there can be some news, there can be some influences, there can be some influencing factors. So that we have to understand. Hope you're clear. So that's how the complete market analysis we can try to judge, or we can try to take the clear direction from the market profile. So even though from the candlestick and all, we have seen many people, analyzing, candle open, close, and also, but if you consider only just a open closure and all, so things will be not pretty much clear. But along with the you see here, fourth, what was the volume? So fifth, what was the volume? Price, volume, along with the direction. So it is still pretty much clear, because price will give you the direction, volume will give the magnitude. Okay, so the magnitude is very important. Okay, how much stable the market is, that it will give you the context. So that's very important. Okay, and completely you will be having a complete picture of the market. Okay, so in which direction you are going, along with the volume. Volume is like an acceleration it is giving. Correct, it's a magnitude, it's complete acceleration. And as we already know that along with the market profile, we are going to use a this order flow chart as well. Correct, so you can clearly notice. Okay, along with the order flow chart also we are going to refer. So here and all, you can see quickly, we'll be able to see who is actually dominant in the market. Okay, you can see clearly the delta is showing come extremely positive. That means extreme buyers are here, they are very much controlling the market. Who is controlling at which moment? Correct. So after that, you can see completely the delta is in a negative zone. That means sellers are very much active. So we already know from the beginning of the market. Okay, if you consider on 7th of the day, so from the mid of the market already the sellers were very much active. Okay, so if you say CDE session only, sellers were active, and immediately buyers came into market, buyers came into picture, but they did not sustain. That means the all the buy orders, it got it got diminished because of the heavy the sell orders were placed. Okay, so that's how basically in the market it works. In the investment bank also, we do the same thing. Okay, so whatever the market users we are having, or even though traders terminal, what we can see, the same thing we can see. Even we have seen various countries, continent, and also same trading floor happens. So we mark our levels, and then again what we do, we take respective decisions based on the respective zones and respective levels. That's very important. All right, at the same time, in a real time, if we are able to take a standard decisions, that will be very, very helpful. All right, so this is it for the day. I hope you have got at least a good idea how to analyze the weekly market, or how to understand the direction of the market, and how to understand the context of the market, and how this market profile and order flow analysis, they are different from the candlestick chart. Okay, so if you are really if you wanted to learn or anything, so in our upcoming courses and also, you can try to register. So our team is going to give all the Google Forms and other links and all in our YouTube video channel description. So please refer them, and subscribe to our channel, and also click on bell icon. So whenever we upload a new video, you will be able to get it. Okay, so this is it for the weekend, and I hope you have enjoyed how to do the weekly analysis of the market, and also how to get the direction of the market, and how to plan for the next week. So telling simple way, so whatever the thing happened. Okay, so from the 4 5 6 7 8, so whenever the market tries to open this weak level, okay, you can see a green color, whatever it is showing here, green color level. So this is going to be the recent high. Okay, whenever the market tries to go up, these are all the levels. Okay, so these are all the zones, they are actually going to act as a zones. Okay, whatever the extended lines you can see, these are the zones. Market, it will touch and it will react. Okay, that's the reason. So these are all extended. Okay, and also you wanted to have this software, so you wanted to analyze at your side. Okay, so you can comment at our video, so that our team will help you. Okay, our technical team is available all the time, so they will help you. Okay, so you have to mention your email ID, and and also they will help you with all the relevant steps as well. All right, so thank you so much. This is it for the day. I hope you have enjoyed. Happy weekend, and also good luck to you, and happy upcoming week as well. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.